Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel and thank you for clicking in. So today I'm bringing you math and we have an exponential equation here. 2 to the power of 6x plus 2 to the power of 3x plus 2 minus 21 is equals to 0. And I want us to solve the value of x. I want us to solve and get the value of x. So I'll begin by this rule, exponential rule, where m plus n is the same as writing m times a to the power of n. So this is a rule that we are going to apply here. Our 2 here, it's our a, 3x it's our m, plus 2 here, it's our n. And I want us to break it and write it in this form. So this will be 2 to the power of 6x plus 2 to the power of 3x times 2 to the power of 2 minus 21 is equals to 0. So what I'll do as my next step, I'm going to write 2 to the power of 3x, all this to the power of 2, right? So you can see 3x and 2 here are our exponents. So 2 to the power of 3x, if we multiply these exponents, we are getting 2 to the power of 6x plus 2 to the power of 3x times 2 to the power of 2, this is 2 squared, it's 4, minus 21 is equals to 0, right? So our next step, if you can see, 2 to the power of 3x here, it's common. So we'll say let 2 to the power of 3x be y. 2 to the power of 3x be y. I'll substitute this y in this equation. And this will be y squared. You can see, plus 2 to the power of xy, we have said is y. So y times 4, this is 4y. Minus 21 is equals to 0. So we've formed a quadratic equation. Quadratic. This is a quadratic equation. Okay, so let us solve it, and I'm going to solve it using factorization method, where we have the sum as our middle term here 4, and our product, I'm going to take the coefficient of y squared, which is 1, and multiply it with the negative 21, I am getting negative 21, right? So we will look for two numbers. When we multiply both the two numbers, we are getting 21, and we add the two numbers, we are getting 4. So these two numbers are 7 and negative 3. If you add 7 plus negative 3, you are getting 4, and if you multiply 7 times negative 3, you are getting 21. So we will substitute these two numbers in our quadratic equation as I do. Y squared plus 7y minus 3y minus 21. This 21 here is equals to 0. Next step, group them into two terms. So we will group. Then in this term, look for the common number. Our common number here, it's y. So y into y plus 7. And for this case, our common factor here is negative 3. So this will be y plus 7 is equals to 0. Y plus 7, it's common. You can see y plus 7, it's common. So we'll just pick one, y plus 7 into bracket, and pick what is left outside. Y minus 3 is equals to 0, right? So my next step, I am going to equate these terms with 0. Y plus 7 is 0. So this will be y is equals to negative 7. And on this side, y minus 3 is equals to 0, right? So y is equals to 3. Y is equals to negative 7. So this negative, we are going to reject it because it's not the real integer. I'm going to reject, so we will reject this one. Remember we had said let 2 to the power of 3x be y, and we have our y as 3. Our y here is 3, so we are going to substitute this 3 in this equation to get the value of x. So this will be 2 to the power of 3x is equals to 3. Okay, 2 to the power of 3x is equals to 3. I am going to use this law or this rule. If we have a to the power of m is equals to x, our a here is 2, our m here is 3x is equals to x, and our x here is 3. We can as well write it as log a, this is base a, x is equals to m, bringing this power on this side. And this is the rule that we are going to apply here for this case. I'm going to write, I'm bringing this m here, this power here, which is 3x is equals to log. A here is my base, and a here is 2. So 2 will be my base, and our x here is 3. Our x there is 3. So to remain with the x, I will divide here by 3. So this 3 here will cancel, and x is equals to log base 2, 3 divided by 3. And this is the right answer. X is equals to log base 2, 3 divided by 3. So remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye-bye.